Any ideas, Ken?
Let's see. Oh, I know.
Hey guys, I've got an idea too. Guys, hello?
Water slides with slime instead of water? No way!
Why not? Ah!
Guys, no one ever listens to Sue.
Focus, Ken! We have to work as a team to make a super birthday party!
Right.
Super party, huh? Look what I got. Birthday party kit.
Wow! This is gonna make the party legendary!
I can't wait. Let's take a look at our birthday kit. It has everything you need for the ultimate fun.
So cool! Guys, you can order one of these on our website.
Do you know the first step to throwing a cool birthday party? It's decorations, of course. Let's cut them out.
Here are some scissors for you.
Oh, thank you. Guys, be careful with scissors. Ask an adult to help you. For convenience, first cut out each letter.
It says happy birthday. The party is saved! Yay!
Phew, finished here. Huh?
Let's get this party started!
Wait, Sammy, we're not done yet.
I'll get the sweets.
And I'll make the packaging. Where are my trusty scissors? Look how cute it is.
Sue, give me a task too, please.
You're just in time. I have something for you. Can you fill out the invitations and hand them out to the guests?
Sure.
Meanwhile, I will focus on our candy bag. It needs to be folded along these lines. Here's what we got. Isn't it cute?
Done. The invitations are cut out. Now for the hardest part. We need to sign them all. First up is Barbie. Did I spell her name correctly? I think so. Now, the time. And, of course, the address. Great! All set! I need to hurry up. The party is about to start.
Counting on you, Ken. Now let's move on to the popcorn packaging. Don't forget to fold these parts too.
Popcorn delivery! Fresh popcorn is ideal for a party. Take it, Sue!
Right on time, Sammy. Let's put it inside. We'll put the sour candies here and the gummy bears here. Yummy treats in such pretty packaging will taste so much better.
So many sweets. Yummy, tasty candy. Ouch!
Sorry, pal, but these are party candies.
Oh, thanks, Sammy. These candies have me hypnotized.
Just don't eat too many sweets or your teeth will hurt. Huh? What's that?
Whoa! Whoa! Sue, we need to decorate these drinks!
That's right. I think we have just what we need. Ta-da! Guys, look how cute Sammy looks here. And here we have a beautiful princess.
She looks just like our birthday girl, Barbie. Wait a minute, we have a crown too?
And another one for you.
Look, it's pink.
That's right, guys. Instead of a birthday hat, we'll have a crown. All we have to do now is connect it on both sides. The crown for our little princess is ready.
Look, the princess will even have a carriage.
Our kit has everything you need for a birthday party.
Oh, I hope Barbie likes the party. Huh? My time has come! Piñata! Ah!
It's not a piñata, Sammy, but we have lots of other fun games. We have birthday games to suit every taste. You just need to glue it here. First, let's help our princess get into the castle.
Exactly! What other games are there?
We have a word search. You need to find these words. Let's try it. I can't find the next word.
Let me take a look. There it is. Unicorn.
Oh, right. Thank you, Sammy. Here's a creative task for everyone who loves to draw. Look how green suits our pink Sammy.
I look awesome in both green and blue. Sue, I found some more games. Look!
What do we have here? Oh, it's the princess's code. Let's try to figure it out. Look at the symbol and find the letter. It's the letter M. Magic Kingdom.
Wait, Sue. Let's save the rest of the games for the party.
Oh, right. Good call, Sammy. All that's left is to decorate our cupcakes. Ta-da!
Looks great, Sue. I've already hung up all the balloons. And I even wore a Slime Prince costume.
Slime Prince? You can't outshine the irresistible Ken.
We're all set for the party.
I hope I'm not too late.
You're just in time.
Girls, where should I put the gift? I don't know myself.
Ladies, place your gifts here.
Thank you, Sue.
It's so delicious. The best cupcake I've ever had. Everyone, come and try it.
We're coming, Sammy. Save some for us.
Yay! This popcorn is out of this world. Gummy bears are so yummy and chewy. Best snacks ever. Hey! Can I open my eyes now?
Here we are. Ta-da!
Huh? Oh, you guys.
Happy birthday, Barbie. Happy birthday to you.
Huh? Barbie and Ken are already here? They're here! Why didn't anyone tell me?
Finally, everyone is gathered.
Let the fun begin!
Yay!
Barbie, try this grape soda. It's so delicious.
Sammy, save me a bite too.
Are you ready to play some board games? Let's go.
Wow, it looks so interesting.
Ladies, in our first game, you'll need to find some words. Are you ready?
I was born ready. Words, I will find you all. Done. What's that word? Huh? Girls, any ideas? It's spring. No, it's spinach, I tell you.
Wrong! It's princess!
We did it. Yes. Hooray.
I already found all the hearts in the picture. Anyone want to play tic-tac-toe now?
It can't be again.
You will be the prettiest pony ever! Yeah!
And on this page, we have 2 more games.
Let's do the boxes, Sue! I want the boxes!
Great idea, Sammy.
Then we will match the shadows.
And I'll be coloring.
There's going to be a duck! I can feel it!
Coloring is so hard.
Let me help you. How do you like it? I think it turned out great.
Hi, everyone! How are you doing?
Your pranks again, Sammy? Can you help me put our princess together?
Of course, Sue! Don't forget to glue that thing over there. And this one, too.
Isn't she adorable? Thanks for your help.
Sure thing! Let's keep the party going. Yay!
amazing!
Happy birthday, Barbie!
Guys, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up.
Also, subscribe to our channel. Sam will be so happy. See you all soon!